In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to connect your Logitech MX Master 4 to your MacBook. So there's two ways of doing this. The first way is using a little receiver dongle, and all you need to do is plug that into the side of your device. The other way to do it is via Bluetooth. So to do this, you need to go into your control center and then press on Bluetooth, press Bluetooth settings, and then you can see here it says nearby devices. Now what we're going to do is grab the mouse. So if you press the button once, it will just slightly flash, but if you're to hold it down, it will flash a bit quicker, and then that is it searching. So now if we go back to our Mac, we can see the MX Master 4 is here. If we just press connect, we're connected. So the next thing you want to do is you want to download Logi Options Plus. To do this, you want to go onto the internet and then type in Logi Options Plus. It'll be this first link here. So now you want to scroll down to Customization App Download and press Download for your Mac. I've got this downloaded already, but if you just follow the instructions there, you'll be able to download it and customize your mouse. Thank you for watching the video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe.